Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to edit out curse words in a video. Here are the steps to edit out curse words in a video using CapCut on Android. First, unlock your Android phone using your PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. Open the CapCut app. Launch the app from your home screen or app drawer. Tap New Project. Start a new editing project. Select the video you want to edit. Choose your video and tap Add. Tap on the video timeline to activate editing tools. Play the video and find the part or the curse word. Move the playhead to the start of the curse word. Tap on Split, the skisser icon at the start of the curse word. Move the playhead to the end of the curse word. Tap Split again to isolate the section or the curse word. Tap on the isolated clip or the curse word. Tap Volume in the bottom menu and set it to 0. This mutes the audio from that section. Then hit the check mark to confirm. Optional, add a sensor sound. Tap on Audio, Sounds, then use the search bar, tap on it to search for beep sound. Hit enter, then tap the download icon. Then here, you can preview the beep sound. And then tap the plus button to add a beep to the timeline. Position it by dragging it to the cusp part of the video clip. Tap Export at the top right to save your edited video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.